In this video, I'm going to show you how you can private your Instagram account. Now, doing this will mean that people will have to request when they want to follow you, and you can choose to accept them or not. And it means that your public posts will no longer be public. So what you need to do, from the homepage of Instagram, go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, and that will take you to your profile. You can go and follow me on Instagram, by the way, BradleyBRXD. So once you're on Instagram, go to the three lines in the top right hand corner, and you'll be in settings and privacy. From here, scroll down to who can see your content, and then you're looking for account privacy. It will be on public by default. Click on that, then choose private account. You can read more about it here, but it's basically saying that you can hide your account. Just enable it, and then you can switch to a private account. Now, do note this can only be done if you have a personal account. Since I am a digital creator account and I think it is a company account, it doesn't let me do this. If you did want to switch back to personal from your profile, again, three dots in the top right hand corner, then you need to scroll down. And here you're looking for the For Professionals tab. It should be the second one down, and then click Creator Tools and Controls. And from here, you can go ahead and switch account type and switch to personal. Once you've switched back to personal, you can then follow the previous steps to change to private.